We'll set our shims in the lower corners, place our side light directly on top of those, and secure our side light to the rough opening with a few screws.
If your door has side lights or a transom, you'll bolt directly through your door frame into the side lights or the transom to connect it to your door frame properly.
We place shims behind the mounting tabs on the sides, in the middle, at the top, and on the top beam. This door is completely level and plumb now, and all of the hardware for mounting, as well as the hardware that attaches the door frame to the side lights, are all tightened down. Now we're ready to hang our doors.
Make sure to use a furniture blanket when you're hanging your doors so that the door is not resting directly on the floor.
Follow along for more helpful tips, how-tos, and inspiration ideas with Pinkies.